The landing warship named Caesar Kunikov was struck by the Ukrainian naval drone MAGURA V5, also called Sea drones, off the annexed Crimean Peninsula near Yalta. We will also delve into the basic engineering behind Sea Baby and one of its missions, so stay tuned and don't miss a beat. This Russian landing ship known as Caesar Kunikov belongs to the Ropucha-I-class segment of amphibious ships. These vessels are crucial for swiftly transporting assault troops to land during military operations. Originally designed for beach landings, they boast the capacity to carry up to 450 tons of cargo. Featuring both bow and stern doors, they facilitate the seamless loading and unloading of vehicles. The vehicle deck spans an impressive 630 square meters, which translates to around 6,800 square feet, stretching the entire length of the hull. This extensive space enables the embarkation of up to 25 armored personnel carriers. The MAGURA V5 Maritime is an autonomous multi-purpose surface unmanned boat. This sleek black speedboat-like drone was unveiled just last year, boasting a reported top speed of 42 knots equivalent to 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour and a payload capacity of 700 pounds. The MAGURA V5 stands as a formidable asset. What sets this drone apart is its astonishing range, spanning approximately 800 kilometers. This extensive reach allows it to autonomously and effectively patrol large maritime areas, providing surveillance and attack capabilities. Furthermore, the MAGURA V5 is equipped to carry 300-kilogram warheads, enhancing its versatility and combat effectiveness. A couple of Ukrainian MAGURA V5 sea drones were launched from this shoreline. As stated, these drones can travel for 800 kilometers using navigation methods such as automatic, inertial navigation systems, and visual video transmission, supporting up to 3 HD video streams, as shown here. When the target is in sight, the sea drones roar to life, racing toward the target and striking the side of the ship. The fuse activates the switch, triggering a piece of Soviet-era tech, a bomb designed to pack a punch. The ship-charged explosive payload strikes and damages the ammunition storage, generating 5 loud bangs that reverberate across the seas. These naval sea drones trigger the weapon storage, causing the vessel to sink faster than it would have if the ammunition storage had not been hit. Let's take a look inside this trusty engine borrowed from a Sea-Doo jet ski. Just like you fire up your car, this drone kicks into action with a similar ignition system. Interestingly, there's no transmission involved. All the raw power generated by the engine goes straight into a robust drive shaft, which in turn is connected to an impeller. As that engine starts to life, the drive shaft and impeller spring into action. The impeller starts rotating, drawing water from the depths around it. This water flows in from the bottom and gets channeled out through the rear end. The force generated by this jet-like water flow propels the drone forward. It's like when you're out on the water and the jet ski pushes ahead, only this time it's the drone that's riding the aquatic wave. So summing it up, with the engine power converted into this impressive water jet, the drone surges ahead, thanks to the forceful water propulsion. It's a smart way to move this naval marvel in the direction it needs to go. This older drone has a communication antenna located here, and inside it is the Starlink equipment hiding underneath that sleek cover. Now, moving to the sides of the drone, you'll notice not one but 2 round access hatches. These little portals are like the secret doors to the drone's inner workings. But wait, there's more. Up top, there's the big player, the main access hatch. This hatch holds the key to all the crucial components, including the engine that makes this baby tick. This is the electro-optical device boasting some infrared imaging capabilities. Imagine seeing the world through its lens. This warhead has a backstory, as it was sourced from Soviet aircraft ammunition. This hints at the potential use of FAB-100 or FAB-250 bombs as the explosive payload. It's triggered by these 2 fuse objects located at the bow. These objects, which resemble impact fuses from the Soviet era, play a vital role in activating the drone's mission. This sea drone measures in at a sleek 5.5 meters. Despite its powerful capabilities, a naval sea drone boasts a weight of up to 1,000 kilograms. This naval drone can cover an astonishing distance of up to 450 kilometers on a single mission, with an extended range capability of up to 900 kilometers. Although it looks small and has a payload of up to 200 kilograms, allowing for a wide range of equipment and mission objectives. This drone can zip through the water at a mind-boggling top speed of 80 kilometers per hour and utilizes a combination of GNSS, inertial sensors, and visual cues to precisely maintain its course. Let's take a look at how this works. Step 1. The hatch cracks open and rushes water from the depths. But that's not all. This water takes a well-designed route, flowing in from the bottom and skillfully channeled out through the back. Step 2. As the naval drone takes its first steps, Starlink kicks in, providing vital guidance to the operators. Step 3. These cutting-edge naval drones don't travel solo. A typical operation involves a squadron of 6 to 7 naval drones working in unison. Step 4, where the operator takes the reins. Guiding the drone is no easy task, and it's all done through video feeds. The operator becomes the drone's eyes and ears, making sure it stays on course. When the target is in sight, it's time to kick things into high gear. The operator pushes the throttle to the max, laser-focused on the colossal objective. Step 5. Imagine the drone striking the ship's hull with pinpoint accuracy. The fuse activates the switch, triggering a piece of Soviet-era tech, a bomb designed to pack a punch. This explosive payload is set to damage this Russian intelligence ship worth $675 million. Let's take a look at how they execute one of the missions. Take this, an arsenal of security measures including nets, pontoons, and barriers to detect potential enemy divers. 7 maritime naval drones sail through as a synchronized unit, managed to breach the defenses that were once thought impenetrable. The concept revolves around the notion that should merely 2 among them successfully reach the assigned target, the potential for inflicting damage would have been realized. As the drones executed their mission with precision, the impact of their actions made a huge sound all over the seaport. The strike hit multiple vessels, including at least one high-valuable target, a frigate, and several other ships. It creates a psychological effect on the other party, and it prompts them to stay vigilant. Now let's take a look at this structure known as the Crimean Bridge. Spanning a staggering 227 meters, this engineering marvel was brought to life at an astonishing cost of around $3.7 billion. It's around 1 or 2 in the pitch-black morning. From undisclosed locations, 2 naval drones with a quirky name Sea Baby are preparing for launch. The target, the very heart of the Crimean Bridge. With its primary aim fixed on the rail-crossing bridge, these drones are about to unleash an unexpected chain of events. Instead of hitting the intended rail-crossing bridge, 2 of the drones mistakenly took the target pillars of the road bridge and collides with it, missing the rail bridge by a few meters. The collision creates a resounding impact, leaving behind a noticeable dent and a brief disruption in transportation. These kinds of attack creates a sense of psychological fear on the other party, resulting in putting more strain on resources to protect the bridge.